Hello guys, welcome to CJ Kinto PH YouTube channel, and it's Chris here again, and welcome to my channel. So please hit like and subscribe for more awesome videos and more tips for airsoft. So today I'm gonna show you my homemade ghillie suit. So as you can see, this is my ghillie suit here. Okay, so the material I use is just like a green cloth. Okay, so I cut it into small pieces, like rectangular one, but a longer one, enough to tie it to my fish net. So as you can see, this is a fish net. Okay, and also I have here is an abaca fiber. So you can actually buy this one for around 25 pesos, but there's already a lot of fibers on it. It's actually used for lechon, where you can wrap or tie a lechon billy or a lechon a baboy. So I just disassemble the rope for abaca and then to make it look like grass. So see that. And then I bought a Venus. It's a brand for dyeing a cloth. That's why the color is green, because I dyed it with green color to make it look like a grass. Alright, so now the best ghillie I have is the hat. Ta-da! See, this is really beautiful hat. See that? So the material I use is actually a fake plant leaf that I bought from the store. It's actually used for home decoration. Yeah, sorry mom, I have your sorry mama, I have your plant your fake plants on my ghillie suit. I apologize for that. Anyway, so what I did is this is actually a cloth like fake plant. So I just removed the inner plastic to make it leaf, and then I needle it. I sew it on this hat. So I wrap it around, and then I also get a piece of this ghillie suit and put it on the top right here. And how I attach this one is I attach it like this. You see, I made a hole in both, and then I wrap it around with the fishing net. So that's it. Now if you will wear this in the milsim airsoft play, then you'll be invincible. Okay, like you're gonna just look like a plant, far, very very far. Alright, so here's my ghillie suit right here. Oh, by the way, to wrap it around my neck, this is the one I was talking about. You can buy from public market. They use it for lechon belly, and then I just disassemble them to make them look like grasses. Alright, so by the way, here's my baby. So this is a 501C ENC L96 airsoft sniper rifle. Well, she's beautiful. And please hit like and subscribe for more awesome videos. And then I'm gonna upload more about some tips for airsoft, especially for this strap here, how I attach them, and how I customize this buttstock for L96. And of course, later on I'm gonna make a video how to put a camouflage plant into your airsoft sniper rifle. Alright, so thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video and I hope you learn more. Please hit like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thank you. Goodbye.